Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back today filming, okay? It's been a while. I think my last video was probably over a week ago, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, I was in Florida, so I am back. I'm ready to start pumping out some videos. I was in Florida, I came back and I saw this, my BOXYCHARM for the month of October, and I wanted to dedicate a video solely to the products that are in this BOXYCHARM. So, I have them all on my face. There's only one product that I totally forgot to use. It's a skincare product and I just totally was in the zone and totally forgot to use it. But other than that, the other 4 products I do use with you guys on camera. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know I usually save like the BOXYCHARM products for like first impressions or like new makeup videos, but I never really dedicated one to a BOXYCHARM. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. So if you want to see me put the products to test on my face, then just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and dive in. So I have my foundation on. I'm kind of upset with myself because I forgot to put this on. And this is the Touch and Soul, I think is how you say it. And it's their glassy, I'll tell you guys right here. If you guys aren't familiar with BOXYCHARM, you do get a breakdown of the cost and like a description of each of the products that you receive in your BOXYCHARM. So this is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. It's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. This retails for $32, okay? And you get this whole box for like $21.99. I'm pretty sure it's $21.99. If I'm wrong, I'll put it somewhere on the screen, but I'm pretty sure. And I'm so mad because I totally forgot to use this like when I put my foundation on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in like my new product drawer, and we'll use this together like in a first impressions video. So I'm going to hold off to that, and I'm really upset because I could have probably really used that today because my skin is like, you know, on the drier side. So I just want to give you guys like a snapshot of the products that I got. So in addition to that, I also received the Dose of Colors, the Marvelous Mauves eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $32. Let me show you guys what this looks like. And I love the packaging. It's like so sleek and like pretty. But this is what the palette looks like. Super pretty, definitely fall vibes, more on your purple plum shades. So I'm excited to use this. So we're gonna use it on the eyes. And then also I received the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. I've never used a jelly highlighter, believe it or not, never like tried and experimented with that. This retails for $26. So we will use this on our skin today. And then I also got 2 lip products. So first one, and I've gotten these before, I believe in previous BOXYCHARMs, but this is a different shade. And this is the, and I cannot say this for the life of me. Like I can't. I wish they would like put like how you pronounce things on here. Jaunty Blue. Jaunty Blue? Jaunty Blue. I'm not even sure. This one is in the shade Dark Natural, which I'm loving because I feel like these shades will all go together for like a fall look. But this retails for $5, so it's actually not that expensive. And I do remember I liked the other one that I got, which was this one right here. This one's in Natural Beige. I'm pretty sure I used this on my channel, so this is just a different shade. And we also got a Plumping Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Love Struck from Iconic, and this retails for $26. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with the palette. So as I mentioned, this does come with a brush, which is nice. Sometimes I like the brushes, sometimes I don't. I think it all just kind of depends. This one actually doesn't look too bad. We'll keep it out. I'm first going to go in with the shade Rosy, which is the second one in, and pop that in the crease. I don't know what I'm just going to do like something subtle. Like I'm not going to go ham on the shadow. I kind of want something just like a little bit softer. This is building up really nicely. So I'm just going to continue to build this up in the crease area. So I went to Florida, just got back 2 days ago, I want to say. I came back, I got sick yesterday while at work, at a work function. Not sure what that was, if I picked something up, you know, on the airport, the plane, whatever, but that's why I wanted to film yesterday and I didn't get a chance to, so That's why we're doing this today. That's pretty. I'm liking that. I'm now going to go into the shade in the middle here, Wishy Washy. That's cute. Went on a private beach. That was pretty cool. What's going on? These. That's really nice. Liking this. I think I'm going to keep the lid light like this because I'm really liking that. Going in to this one, which is spaced out, like the outer third of the eye. I think that's what I want to do. And I think I might leave the lid pretty light. Maybe use that shade that's called Fluffy, I think, in the palette. But yeah, Florida was a lot of fun. I had a really good time. We were able to go on a private beach, which is so nice. I am not a beach type of gal. I'm more of like outdoorsy camping. Like that's more my vibe. Probably because I don't like crowds of people, to be honest with you. So the private beach was like so nice. Like comment down below if you guys have ever been on a private beach. It was so like, I just never experienced a beach with like, I swear there were only like 12 other people that I could see. And it was like from afar, like just surrounded like on either side of us. There was, I swear, I think we counted like 12 or 15 other people, which was so nice. Like just sometimes just beaches get way too crowded. You can't move around. You go out to the ocean and like, you know, that water just takes you. You know how that is. And then you come on shore and you're like where the hell is everybody? You get lost and it's just a whole ordeal. So I was just never really one for the beaches, but private beach, sign me up because that was good. That was nice. I'm now going to go into the shade Fluffy, which is this first shade here. And I'm going to buff that on the lid because I feel like I want to keep the lid light. So let's just pop that on here and see what that looks like. These are really soft though. I really like the formula of these eyeshadows. So since we have the eyes done, I am just going to speed through, put some music on, and just finish up the rest of my face. And then we'll come back to the eyes to finish up, and then we'll do I will stop at the highlight, and then we'll do the lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forget.
To finish up the eyes, let's go back into the palette. And I think instead of a wing liner, I am just going to take the dark shade of the palette, which is Wine Stain. And I'm going to take that on just a dense angled brush. Like this one, and I am going to put that on the lash band because I feel like it'll keep it softer instead of going in with like a liquid liner or anything like that. So let's see, just tap off so we don't get any fallout. Let's see how this does, just to hide the lash band. Oh yeah, see, that's really nice. If you're scared to like use like liquid liner and don't want to like mess up your eye look, but you want to cover up that lash band, just go in with the dark eyeshadow. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with Wishy Washy that we use because it's not the super light shade, but it's not the super dark one either. And I'm going to try the brush that it came with and see how that goes. This could go wrong. And this brush, hey, this brush ain't bad. for lower lash. Nothing too crazy. I'm liking this. Okay. This is the brush that came with the palette. And I like the flat, like the fluffy brush side. It's always hard to do my left eye. I like this brush for that a lot. That's nice. I'm just gonna put a nude liner in my waterline. I want to go ahead and use this highlighter that I dipped my freaking nail into. So I think I'm going to take it on the corner of my sponge, this part right here. Let's try it that way because, ooh, that. Can you guys see that? Ooh, boy, that is intense. I got to wipe some of that off. Okay, so I'm not going to do a brush because I feel like that may be too much. So, oh my God, I'm nervous. Maybe it won't be. Oh, ooh, I'm liking that. Okay. My first jelly highlighter. Oh, I like it with the sponge. Brush. Oh my God. This is so pretty. And it like blends it. Oh. Can you guys see that? And you guys know I like some right here. That's pretty. So the last two products that I have are the lip liner and the plumping lip gloss. So what I'm going to do is set my face, put my lower lash mascara on. So I'm going to use my Milani matte setting spray. All right, lower lash mascara. Let's pop that on. I'm going to kick it old school too. I used to use the L'Oreal telescopic mascara all the time. And I'm pretty sure this didn't transfer on my lower lashes. So I'm gonna go in with that. I can't get over it. Every time I turn my head, like look at that. It's like, boom. 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 I remember loving the applicator on this mascara. I really think I'm going to do a video of like using all my old favorites. Because like, you know, they come out with all these new products and you kind of forget about the ones that like were your ride or die products. Okay guys, lips. And then we are done. So I'm going in with the lip liner that came in. And this one is that Jante Blue, I want to say, in the shade Dark and Natural, which looks like this. So I'm going to line my lips. I'll go in with like a lip cream, like a NYX Butter or NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I'll probably try that and maybe put the gloss over it. But I'm curious to see. So let's try this. I like that shade. This is like my type of like lip liner, just like a very natural shade, maybe like a shade darker than my natural lip. So I really like that, and it's like perfect for fall right now. So let's go ahead and, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to go in with, I don't know, let's see. This is just a gloss. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is go in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and then put the plumping gloss over it. This one's in the shade Zurich, which I've used before with you guys. Nice nude shade. A little bit like a peachy undertone. So I feel like it would go well with this gloss. Okay, so the Soft Matte Lip Cream has dried down. So I'm going to go ahead in with the Plumping Glass. Ooh, let's see. Not really. Sometimes I'm a gloss girl. Ooh. Okay, this is minty. Yeah, it definitely has like a minty scent to it. So I feel like I took some of that off. The only thing I don't like are flimsy applicators. I know some people don't mind that, but I just feel like I have no control when it's like flopping around, you know what I mean? It's definitely minty. I'm not really used to me with a, like, it even tastes minty. There's like a, I got some in there. I got some and it tastes minty. They are right though, it's not sticky. It's like a nice formula. So guys, this completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this BOXYCHARM kind of like review tutorial type of situation. Let me know down below if you guys want me to continue doing these because like I said, I have been subscribed to them for probably over a year at this point. And honestly, this is just the greatest thing, especially if you, you know, if you're on a budget or you just don't want to spend so much money on higher end makeup, not even high end. Like sometimes you get like more affordable products, like that lip liner was what, $5? But if you just want to start expanding your makeup collection, $21.99, you literally can't beat it. And the value's always over $100. So I really recommend this. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I just really been able to build on my makeup collection. Like if you're not one to get like PR makeup and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So this is just a really great thing. So I really liked using this with you guys on camera, and let me know if you guys liked it too. If you're new here, my name is Alicia. I would love for you to subscribe down below and join our family here on YouTube. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping over again. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.